My name is Christina Clark, and today I am going to be conducting lab experiment, lab number 5, which is the simple I and O use in the watchdog timer through controlled exercises. I'm using my cell phone today, so just bear with me with the video. I'm not exactly quite sure where my camcorder has went off to, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started by showing you my board. Closer here. So I'm already ready to get things going. So I'm going to go ahead and load up my lab number 5 part 1. Oops, hold on here, I'm having issues with the computer. Okay. So since I was successfully imported, I'm going to go ahead and write it to the board. And hold that. Turn that on. Simulate the sequence. And this was the other issue I was kind of running into, and I'm not exactly for sure what I did wrong, because if I don't touch anything, it runs through the whole thing. If I touch a button, I have to hit the reset in order for it to work. And then come up here, hit again. But I kind of gave up a little bit on trying to figure out what I did wrong. I was getting a little frustrated, so hopefully you'll be able to tell me when you look at my my code. It's like every time I touch the dip switches on this one, it just does its own little thing. Alright? And it won't keep repeating it. It's like I have to keep on hitting reset for it to keep going. So with that, go ahead and program my next set of codes, which is going to be the part 2. It was successfully imported, so I'm going to go ahead and write it. And it shows you there that nothing is working no matter what you do. It's just going to keep blinking even after hitting the reset. So with that, going to switch that off. Going to import the last ASM code. And this is the one that uses the watchdog timer. So first I gotta reset this here. And hit my switch. Another switch. Yep, third switch. Hit all the switches. And shut them all off. So basically it's behaving exactly like the first model, because I'm sure that part 1, because I'm sure there's something wrong with the code because it doesn't exactly flash like it did in the tutorial video. But I still can't figure out what's wrong. But I mean, I do got blinking lights, and I did basically put in a watchdog and open up the watchdog timer, and then cleared the watchdog timer by using 3 clear instructions, therefore giving me the same program. It just does not act 100% like the tutorial video. So, and that concludes lab module number 5.